The Great Wall of China. A colossal dragon, snaking its way across the landscape. A testament to human endeavor, standing defiant against time. Visible even from space, it is one of mankind's most recognizable achievements. But the Great Wall is more than just a pretty picture. It is a storybook woven in stone, each brick whispering tales of emperors and invaders. Emperors surveying their domain, soldiers keeping watch, traders, pilgrims, and adventurers. Join me now as we unlock the secrets of this iconic wonder and uncover the stories etched into its timeless stones. The history of the Great Wall is not a single continuous narrative. It is a complex and multifaceted story that spans millennia, reflecting the diverse and evolving nature of Chinese civilization. It is a tapestry woven from the threads of different dynasties, each contributing their own unique elements to this monumental structure. From the early fortifications to the more sophisticated sections, the wall tells a story of innovation and adaptation. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall wasn't built in one go. Instead, it was constructed in segments over many centuries, with each dynasty adding to and reinforcing the work of their predecessors. Its construction spanned centuries, beginning as early as the 7th century BC. These early walls were built by various states to defend against invasions and raids. Various states during the Warring States period erected walls to protect their borders. These early fortifications laid the groundwork for what would eventually become the Great Wall. Under Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of China, the concept of a unified wall began to take shape. He ordered the connection of existing walls and the construction of new sections to create a continuous barrier. The Ming dynasty undertook the most extensive construction, using bricks and granite for greater strength. They built watchtowers, barracks, and other structures to enhance the wall's defensive capabilities. The Great Wall is a testament to the ebb and flow of Chinese history, a physical manifestation of the nation's enduring quest for unity and security. It stands as a symbol of resilience, ingenuity, and the enduring spirit of the Chinese people. The Great Wall has inspired countless legends and folktales, each one adding to its mystique and grandeur. One of the most famous is that of Meng Jiangnu, whose husband died during construction. Her story is one of love, loss, and the enduring human spirit. She wept so bitterly that a section of the wall crumbled, revealing her husband's bones. This poignant tale has been passed down through generations, symbolizing the deep emotional connections tied to the wall. This tale speaks to the human cost of the wall's construction, reminding us of the countless lives that were affected, and the immense effort that went into building this monumental structure. Another legend speaks of the wall's alignment with the stars, creating a celestial map in stone and brick. This story suggests that the wall was not just a physical barrier, but also a bridge between the earth and the heavens. These legends add layers of intrigue and wonder to the wall's story, making it not just a marvel of engineering, but also a tapestry of human experiences and dreams. They demonstrate how the wall has captured the imaginations of generations, inspiring awe and wonder. The Great Wall stands as a testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the power of storytelling. The construction of the Great Wall was a monumental undertaking. It involved the labor of millions over centuries. Soldiers, peasants, convicts, and skilled artisans all played a part. Techniques varied depending on the terrain and available materials. The Ming dynasty favored bricks and granite blocks for greater strength. Transporting these materials was a Herculean task, relying on sheer manpower. The construction process was fraught with danger, and many perished. The Great Wall stands as a poignant reminder of the human cost of such ambitious endeavors. Today, the Great Wall of China is no longer a military fortification. Instead, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it winds through deserts, mountains, and plains, showcasing the diverse landscapes of China. It remains a potent symbol of China's rich history and cultural heritage. Built over several dynasties, the wall has witnessed countless historical events and has been a silent guardian of the nation. It is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its grandeur and historical significance. Some sections have been meticulously restored, allowing visitors to experience the wall as it might have looked centuries ago, while others stand as evocative ruins, telling tales of time and endurance. The Chinese government has undertaken significant efforts to preserve and protect the wall. Restoration projects are ongoing, ensuring that this monumental structure remains for future generations. However, challenges remain, such as erosion, vandalism, and natural wear and tear, and the effects of tourism. The sheer number of visitors can sometimes pose a threat to the wall's integrity. Despite these challenges, the Great Wall continues to inspire awe and wonder. Its majestic presence at sunrise or shrouded in mist is a sight to behold. It is a living monument to the human spirit, a testament to what can be achieved with determination and effort. Truly, the Great Wall is a timeless treasure for the world to cherish and protect, a symbol of resilience and a beacon of history.